So I'm working on a sketch here for another black and white piece. I did one recently and it turned out okay. I mean, it was okay. So I'm gonna do another one. Hopefully this one turns out better. You know, the more you do, obviously. Hopefully, not obviously. Hopefully, the better you do. Making sure the composition is pleasant. Making sure the composition will work. I'm gonna come here and bring in some distant trees. This is more like Bob Ross style painting, but we're gonna do it in black and white. Bob Ross did a painting with black and white, and it's gonna be in acrylics rather than oil. So it's gonna be landscape, Bob Ross style landscape painting, but in acrylic. And we'll see how we can manage this. I'm gonna keep these trees fairly random and distantly looking. We're gonna come down here another row, and it's gonna go right into each other. So foothill of the mountain, some ridges. This side is gonna be the shadow side. And then we're gonna have some details here, some snow. Obviously, this side is gonna be the highlighted side. And this side is gonna be the shadows. Now I'm building the composition. We have to decide what we're gonna do with the foreground. I'm thinking maybe bring in the land, something like that. Maybe add slope, maybe some evergreen trees over here like Bob Ross used to do. Maybe this one is a bit bigger. Maybe we can drop one next to it. And these are going to be evergreen tree that we're going to paint it obviously in black and white. And it's going to come all the way down here, and down here they're going to merge. And then we can drop in some bushes over here. And maybe we can have another, or we can this cannot be immediately in the foreground. Let's change this a bit and put some mid-ground. Let's put some mid-ground trees over here, smaller than those. Maybe two. Oh, we have two over here. Let's put three on this side, just so we don't create symmetry. This one is fairly small. And maybe we have a road here. Maybe a couple of rocks here, some bushes. What else we can do? Maybe some bushes here. Let me know if you like these videos, like the sketching part and building compositions and stuff like that. I usually do this on a sketch pad, but I've decided to do it on the canvas, on camera. Maybe some of you guys, have problem with building composition. Obviously not. If you're an advanced or intermediate artist, you probably don't have a problem with this. But if you're an absolute beginner, maybe building composition and stuff like that, it's not your forte. It's not. I'm not expert in this area either, but maybe this works. I don't know. Maybe this helps in some ways. So we're gonna have some mist over here. Let me know if you like these videos, or you like just the painting. You want us to jump into the painting right away, and you rather not see the sketching part. I'm gonna separate this from the video, so I'm gonna post this on its own, and then the painting video. So if some people don't want to watch this, they don't have to, and then the videos and the painting videos don't get too long because of this. So I'm gonna bring this a bit lower, maybe up to here. So maybe we can make some mist over there. I'm gonna see if this works. Make this area a bit misty, so we can drop these trees right in front of it, and maybe they come all the way down here. Obviously these are our distant trees. Maybe we can see some of them, maybe some details here as they are a bit closer, something like that, some indication of some trees. And that's going to be our midground. And now we need to transition from midground to the foreground. So we gotta see what we're gonna drop over there. Maybe I have to think about it.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I'm back. I'm thinking maybe we can drop, why not, cabin here. Back there. A cabin and maybe a fence. Right there. Maybe a small cabin over there. And maybe we can delete some of these things, or erase it rather. Maybe we can erase some of those things and make this cabin a bit more clear to the eyes. And maybe we can go ahead and make a path for this cabin. And these trees over here is going to be a bit lower. We want to make trees a bit lower, and I'm going to bring this land on a slope here, and some bushes and stuff like that over here. that cabin is going to be sitting over there, and we're going to have more bushes over here, which is going to be separated by highlights and contrast. And maybe some rocks over here. Maybe some vegetation over here. And then we have a path that comes this way. The fence is sitting right there, and then you're probably not going to see much. We're going to bring these trees a bit lower, and then we're going to make it misty looking. We can even put a couple of smaller trees here just to cover this area. Maybe yes, maybe no. We will see. So that's going to be our composition. And that's going to be our little cabin. Maybe we can light up the cabin. We can bring some light. It's going to be black and white, but I may use some yellow just for the light over there. I don't know. Maybe use some contrast. We will see. Put a moon. No moon? I don't know. Maybe some moonlight? I don't know. Maybe no moon. Alright, so that's our composition. That's our mountain. The light is gonna come this way, so this is the shadow side. This area is going to be misty. Alright, so that's it. I'm going to stick with this composition. I'm going to stick with this composition. I think it's good enough. Not too complicated, not too busy. I don't want to make it too busy. I'm gonna make a video of it. I'm gonna post it on the channel, and just follow the channel. Come back usually in a couple of days after I post this. I'm gonna post the painting itself, and see for yourself. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think of this format of videos, and appreciate you watching the channel. Bye bye.